Actually, today I'm shooting with DSLR for the first time. It's a good exercise for me. I think I should, get used to it. But I don't know where they've gone. Mike, Mike. Shit. Where to go to the river? Mike. Oh my God. Mission searching Mike. I'm lost. But where did Mike go? Mike! Hello everyone, welcome to Ash Stories. Today we are here, we are going to a place called Wa Sohra. It's a village and it is downhill there, if you can see. Yeah, it's around like 3000 feet down and we have come through that hill, uphill, and you have to take a diversion from when you go to the Sohra. That place is called Wa Sohra and we are, came with friends and all. They have already reached there. Bye! Without any further ado, let's start this vlog about Wa Sohra in Meghalaya, and let's do it. The steepy roads, the steepy stairway to heaven. This is heaven. This earth, Mother Earth is heaven. Heaven is not there in the sky. Heaven is here. The tree, beautiful tree, the land, the grass. This is what God is. This is what nature is. This is what heaven is. If you think there's another thing called heaven up there in the sky, there is nothing. There's just stars and suns and all the different type of planets and all. But this is the way to go to Wa Sohra. Ba, come na. आप वहाँ पे रहता? वो गाँव में रहता? Wa Sohra में रहता? Oh, he stays on the other side of the place and all. तो बा, कहाँ जा रहा ऊपर? Actually what happens is sometimes when you go down your leg it pains a lot when you go down actually, but what to do, we have to go so that I can also see the place and you can also see the place what it is, but my legs paining. And this another nice thing that the community people have done is they have made with the bamboo a dustbin. And I think this is something that people all across the villages and city also has to do. If the people of Wa Sohra, people of the villages can do this, we can also do this. What I see is there is only 34 households down there. So but this date is 2010 to 11. I think maybe 10-15 have increased since then, or maybe more, we don't know. But this is the midway. We have come way up from uphill and all. We have to go down also. So next, what do we get to see here? It's, I think, a pump where they produce water and all. And I think the water, yeah, it's water. I can hear. You can also hear, I think so. Yeah, water is filling up. So it's also a nice initiative from the government coming here for the villagers, water, the basic necessity of life and all. Wa Sohra. Hi. Come now. Those were the kids, carrying their, carry water and all. Even though they are so young, this is how the rural lives is. And we are about to meet Mike, who is there, who has removed his jacket because I think he's feeling tired. Right, Mike? Are you feeling tired? You are a very hardcore traveler. So this is Mike, and Mike will be my guide in understanding about what are things are there in this village.
It's a very old village
And
and the population is very less.
so what are the things we're gonna see, or shall we just go and explore?
We'll just go and explore.
I think that is better. We better go and explore, right? Let's go, bro. We have not yet reached that Wa Sohra village, but in between there is this thing called Nong Trao, and there's a church. taking care of his brother. So it seems that is the hill that we came actually downhill, and we are in the middle. The reason why I stopped is when we go down, this hill won't be visible from the town. We'll get to see some. There's a river stream also, so I thought better to to show you what it takes to come to Wa Sohra. If you guys are planning to come, you should come. And if you are you feel like trekking and outdoor things and all. So that is the hill. Backside is the highway. We came down, and we'll go down with Mike over there.
In today's world, everyone is going after technology and trying to run away from the village and migrate to urban cities for livelihood purposes and all of that. And in a way, we forget our roots. We forget where we actually belong. So, it's good sometimes to be connected to the nature. It's good sometimes to just come back and have that refreshing journey, that refreshing experience once in a while.
Which we are doing right now, going down to Wa Sohra. And I feel a little bit. Are you feeling a little bit tired?
Yeah, it's humid also.
It's humid also. It's very clever. See, you brought the t-shirts and all, but it's okay. It's an experience for me and learning from me that whenever you come downhill or go for trekking, you should carry a t-shirt, right?
Yeah, right.
Right. There we go. This is the entrance of the village. Old signboards, and that is the village. We have almost reached after this long 1 hour trek down that hill, and they have already reached that place. So this is the Wa Sohra village. There's a field out here. There are trees. What other things are there? Bamboo trees, and backside are the households there, over there. And one thing about Wa Sohra, what I got to know is that there are only 11 households, in just 11 families staying in Wa Sohra. And behind me there is the school, primary school. To get to know more about this place, I would like to talk with the headman of the village. These are the houses in Wa Sohra. That is the headman. Ba. So we are here in Wa Sohra, and we have reached down, and we have with us Ba. Ba is the headman. What is the name of the Ba?
Silius.
Ba name is Silius, and I would like to ask first thing about Ba, about what happened to your hand.
Kane gade gadau ba ngia litres ti sha wa polik siap te ngia kawang mau ya bread mau ndai sit paji mau te kilong phalang no ki dei nang nenak ti te long sitong.
Which leads me to the next question, that is, what about the medical facilities way downhill, which is also one of the key things that is required for a village and also, right?
Te habai dei bet kicing stom te long nakaliang jongi hang ne snong hi namar ki doktor umdon tela dodon kum ki jing man saw te long tang ki basumar khasi ni sumar da ki kanbat dawai.
But behind us also we can see there are all bamboos and all. Can you please ask Ba about what are this, and is it related to livelihoods and how much do they earn from this and
Apa day bat ka jing tre jing ta hi hasnong barok shisnong jan barok shisnong hi ngi pendon kami kini ki si kisken ki ba ngi yo hi na ngane ka mei mariang ka ba uble hi ba ai mo dame kum tu ki tre kum balai kenta sau kenta ki bala bansian ki syong halaga jik smart halaga jing minot jong ki mà cái gì vậy trong khi tầm lạ bên mặt tay lại xe don ba lạ bên camai si spa si ski don ba la spa like spa cũng ta.
And one last question to get to know is, what about the food? What about the market? Do they have their own vegetation, or else what do they have? I also don't know. Mike, do you know? You also don't know. But Headman, Ba knows, and we'll ask the last question. What about the food out here?
Apa day buat ka liang kabam te baro hi ngi haban lechaki yo mo kum cha sora bade ki jhur te ngi lechet na sora man la ka tayo te bade ba ki jhur ki don hi ki barep katuk ne ndai long ban baro shi sao ayom ta mla ban yo te ki jing yo jhur ka dei ka jing pa ho hi ka dei ha ki por jong banai polior.
So we come to end of this nice talk with Ba, and we got to know about that so many things which we were not aware when we came downhill, and it was nice experience talking with Ba. Kublai, Shubun Ba. This is the hand that he got injured and see with all the herbs and all everything. How to say take care in Sumarbha Ba. There's a very nice place out here which is hidden. It's behind this village, right? It's behind this village, and I'm gonna show you in a while. So Kublai Shivanba and now heading to that beautiful place in back of Sohra. Oh my god. Ooh. I think they are burning away the rest things here. Why are they burning this? Oh, quite huge, yeah, this fire. So one thing about villages and people in Meghalaya, which I really love, yeah, you have to use that word love, because I really love, is that people here are very polite, and when you talk with them they respond in a very friendly way. That's what I really like about this place in Meghalaya. Not about this place, in the whole of Meghalaya, everyone is so friendly, I should carry on. Actually today I'm shooting with DSLR for the first time. It's a good exercise for me. I think I should get used to it, but I don't know where they've gone. Which is the road? Oh my god, I'm lost. Mike! Shit. Where to go to the river? Mike! Oh my god. Mission searching Mike. Oh shit. I'm lost. But where did Mike go? Mike! I think the only way to search Mike is to shout only. There. Mike! I thought I lost you! I was shouting Mike, and the whole thing is so dense. I'm coming. There is that Mike. So, luckily, I didn't have to, be scared for a long time. But this is the beautiful place down here in Wa Sohra, and we are gonna go there and see what does it look like from the close end, and thankfully I'm not lost. So here we go. Oh shit! Almost fallen. So, to be careful. Vlogging also, walking also, talking also. Bapre bap. So this is the place down below Wa Sohra. A nice place to chill and chill and chill. That huge hill, and we are here. See. So we'll move out from here once we are done with our, relaxing and all, and we'll see you soon in the next episode. Right, I'm feeling very hot and humid. I'm gonna relax now, and they are gonna make some bonfire. There you go. The guys preparing for bonfire.